Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ro. Okay, I've got 2 medium-sized orders from Temu, and we're gonna just go ahead and haul it. I just literally opened the bag, and we're just gonna do everything together and see what's all inside of it. Now, honestly, I don't remember what's in here at all. It's a little bit of everything and a little bit of nothing. So let's do this together and see what we've got in here. All right, I'm only really excited about one thing, and that's the only thing I do remember that's in this bag. All right, let's see. It says screen printing squeegees. Oh, this is my, because I do what's that stuff called that I can't remember at the top of my head right now. Anyway, you guys can see what it is. It's the squeegees for, oh my gosh, words are escaping me right now. So these are the squeegees when I do, anyway, you guys know what I'm talking about. I'm getting old, people. You know what I mean. Anyway, so here are, oh, these are nice. Okay, guys, we're back. Age, oh, guys, not really. Chocolate paste, which is chocolate paste in here, I guess, and then that's the squeegees. Now these are the smaller one, larger ones, and then you've got your, oh yeah, your mixer. It's nice. It's actually a good dupe. Well worth it. Now I will do my best to find the links to all the stuff that I did order and put it on the video for you guys, if they still have it. This is pretty good. All right, next item. Let's see. What else we got? I had scissors somewhere, guys. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I ordered this. Scrabble tiles. What it was is I ordered these because I wanted to craft with them. Plus, I couldn't find the other ones they had at the Dollar Tree, and I wanted to play Scrabble with my daughters. So they're gonna be a double whammy. So it was, I think, 500 tiles in here. Of course, we don't need 500 tiles. Not to mention, I could not find the other stash that I had. And then, of course, after I placed my order, that's when I found them. Yeah, lots of tiles, lots of Scrabble pieces. So we shall see how this works out. All right, yes. These are the erasable gel pens. Now, I got these in the hopes that I would be able to keep my oldest child out of my stash, right? So, do I have something to write with? Let's see, let me see if these work as well as the originals. Let's grab this paper. Oh, these are, wait, am I doing this wrong? Like, oh my gosh, people are gonna think I'm slow on my own YouTube channel. Wait, is it a twist? Oh, I don't get it. Okay. All right, so they actually do work just as good as the originals. Pretty good. Okay, so I'll be giving these to my daughters. I'll probably just split it between the 2 of them, because, you know, when you got 2 girls, then you don't want to hear them fighting over writing stuff. Okay, so these are the colors that came in the pack. Actually pretty. All right, let's set this one to the side. And then these, I got these. These are tweezers, not tweezers. What are they called? Pen pens. I call them pen pens. So they're for me to weed with. Let's see. I really only picked them because they look pretty. That's all it was. I'm a crafter. I can't help it. So that looks really pretty. I love the ombre rainbow color, and then rose gold. I am a rose gold fan. Let's see if this will open up for me. Of course, it's going to be difficult because I'm live or recording. Oh, this one's nice. It's smooth, and this one, you can feel the grit on it, and yep, sharp. Nice. I like. I'm gonna have to test this out and let you guys know, but they feel like the real original pen pens. Look how pretty. Nice. I'm impressed. Okay. Let's see what we got in here. Okay. This is, I guess, jute ribbon that I just wanted to see what it looked like. This is pretty. Let's see. Now, I am not a bow maker by any means at all, but I thought this was super pretty. I can make very simple ribbon bows, whatever you want to call them, but I thought this was very different and I could try this, and that's what I'm gonna make with that. Very good. All right, I thought, okay, so I got 2 of these. Like I said, I have 2 girls, and I couldn't buy one and not another one. So these are pencil bags, and they reminded me of my own childhood. Very Hello Kitty. This is so cute. I love it. I don't care who gets which one, but this is roomy. I absolutely love it. I think this one's gonna be my youngest. And then this one has lots more pockets, so this is definitely gotta be my oldest daughter. This is rabbit on it. This is very nice. I am impressed. If you guys have not ordered anything from this website yet, definitely give it a try. I am impressed so far. Let's see. Now I got this for my dad because I'm a dad's girl, and this is supposed to be a cabbage lettuce shredder. And I need him to make me, I'm from Haiti too, so they make this thing called pickles, and they use it to shred the cabbage and the lettuce. So this should be making things easier, so I'll let you guys know if this works. Kitchen towels. All right, I wanted to know if this works, so how these feel. To wash these. These are soft. I don't know how many, I don't remember how many came in a pack, and it doesn't say. Oh, it's 10 of them. But these feel really soft. They're shedding right now, but I think that's basically with towels, but they feel good. And they're actually a nice size. Yes. I like the colors. And I thought I had ordered 2 packs of these. It must be in the other bag. Okay, so this I got from my coffee/tea because, I don't know, actually I just thought it looked cute. It's a 4 set, and I'll just unwrap one of them. Isn't this cute? They're absolutely adorable. Mix your coffee with these or your tea. They came in a set of 4. Absolutely adorable. Okay, let me move these over to the side. Absolutely adorable. And the crafter and me also had to get a set of wood rounds. I'll see if I need any more wood rounds. Come on, guys. I really don't, but I saw this and I couldn't resist. That's not so bad. Almost like something you would buy from Dollar Tree. And I think it came in 2, 4, 6. But no holes. Just put a ribbon on the back, hang it. It's actually thicker than probably the ones from the DT. This should be really good. Let me set this over to the side. And let's go into the next bag. Oh, there's the other pack. Oh, this one's bigger. Oh, here I thought it was the same. See what happens when you just go shopping for no reason? Square. Hey, this might just be for the cleaning, and the other ones will be for the kitchen. I'll let you guys know in the future how these work out. But I love them. They're actually very soft. Temu, so far, so good. I got some transfer tape, right? Now, on the website, I thought this was a lot bigger because a row here did not read. It says 12 by 10. And in my brain, this was bigger. That's what I saw, and that's what I imagined. I will test this out in the upcoming weeks and let you guys know how I feel about this. But so far I'm a little disappointed because I really just thought it was a fatter roll, but I will set this aside. That's the only thing so far I've been disappointed about. And this right here, I found a pair of bubble slippers. I had to get them. I'm hoping that they fit because I got them in an 8.5, 9, because I don't know if they'll fit. But aren't these cute? These are so cute. Everybody's wearing them, and I was like, I gotta try them. And they fur lined. Oh my gosh. Now I can be styling and profiling. All right, I'm leaving the last item that I absolutely had to get for last. I can see it, and I just don't want to get it out yet. Okay. And then this item, I know I got this one for my oldest. And she does not know about this yet. And actually, she's been literally harassing me about getting this haul done and over with because she's just kids. Isn't this adorable? Like, it's actually bigger than I thought it was. I have a pin fetish, and she's starting to have a pin fetish. And oh my gosh, like, they come, oh my gosh. I think I might just keep it. Would that be so wrong as a mom to not give this to her? She would not know, right? She would not know. So it's a secret between us, okay? Don't tell nobody. Okay. Oh, there's a couple more things in here. Okay, so this is this is supposed to be AirPod cleaning kit. Now we all know all of us have dirty AirPods. So this is why I ordered this. We all know we have dirty AirPods. So I'm going to test this and I'm gonna let you guys know if it works. I have 2 sets of AirPods and I will let you know whether or not this works and if I really do keep my AirPods clean. Another set of pins. I did just say I have a pin fetish, right? Look how pretty these are. Absolutely pretty. The other set that I ordered, they were sold out. They were completely sold out, and I'm not happy about that, but oh, they're gel pens, guys, so super fine tip. Super, super fine. But I just love it. I just wanted it for show. And besides, they did remind me of Hello Kitty. That was the other reason I ordered it. Lenovo AirPod dupes, but Lenovo is a name brand. Now, to be honest with you, I ordered this for my youngest because she has a iPad And when she's gaming, I really don't want to hear her games because she is an avid gamer. So she doesn't know she's getting this either. So I'm throwing everything around. One for one child, one thing for one child, one thing for the other. This is for my peace of mind. We know how that is. Now, Grogu. I had to get Star Wars something. I've been rewatching the Star Wars series in a whole different order. That's a whole nother topic. What did I do with the batteries? Hi, Grogu. He repeats everything you say. You are so adorable. Say hi, YouTube. We love you. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Bye, guys.